Hey guys, it's Darkwater. Today we're going to be doing a slight customization to one of my buddy's blades that he purchased, and he wants to do an anodize on the handle. So that's what we're going to do. First things first, we're going to take this bad boy apart. Now this is the Kubey Nova, and we will start off with T8. Just do a hardware check real quick. T8, T8, T8. Alright, T8 all around. That's good. Get her taken apart. Alright, so I just washed these off with soap and water. Now we're going to alcohol them and get them really clean for the dip. We're going to go for a purple with a light blue hue on it. So we're going to start off with 19 volts and see where that gets us. Let's see where that's got us. So coming out of there, before it dries, it almost looks just like a straight bronze. And then as you dry it, now that's a crazy purple right there. But I think he wants a little bit darker purple, so we're going to keep going. Let's clean it on camera. Now that's purple to me. Wonder if I should go just a shade more. Let's go to 20 and a half. Actually, let's go to 21. Now that's purple. We wanted more of a royal purple, and I think that's it right there. It has a little bit of gold in it still, a little bit of copper. I think he wants to go just a tiny bit toward the blue. That's almost there though. Yep, there we go. 22 volts it is. Now that's good looking. Wow. Crazy. On to number 2. Well, let's run it. All right, we're gonna go give these a wash. We'll be back. Here they are. Let's reassemble. Yeah, these turned out really sweet. Let's get it back together. All right, so here it is back together. Very purple. And it just has some grease from assembly on there, or oil from me. So we'll wipe that up real quick on both sides. And I still got it on my hands, but this will give you an idea of where this will end up as far as color. And there you are. That is an attractive, very attractive purple there. It's almost royalty if you ask me. Well, there you have it. The Kubey Nova in royal purple. Congratulations, Be Rich.